Good morning, guys! So today is our second day slash our last day here in Baguio. It was only for a short while kasi nga syempre may mga work and stuff pa sila. So very limited lang yung kanilang leave na pwedeng i-take. So ayun. Today, ang first namin gagawin is we're gonna go downstairs since may buffet breakfast yung hotel every weekend, I think, every Saturday. So, we're gonna go there right now to eat breakfast first before starting our day. I'll keep you guys posted.
Smile. Go. Tell them.
Watermelon is blue.
May blue watermelon? San yun? San meron nun?
From America.
Wow.
And the Japanese, the square watermelon.
Square? Okay.
Green color watermelon. It's blending the color of the watermelon outside.
Hey guys, so we're walking here sa may papuntang Burnham Park kasi nga syempre kailangan na namin sulitin yung aming last day. And grabe, it is so foggy around here. Look, sobrang naging heavy na yung fog. Tadamoy nakakalain mo yung glass mo yung nag-moist. Pero hindi talaga. So ayun. Grabe yun, look. Grabe, sobrang moist. Oh my God. So I'm not sure yet what we're gonna do here or kung meron kami activities na possible magawa kasi nga paulan-ulan. Pero yun nga, the good thing is medyo huminto naman na siya ngayon. Hopefully hanggang mamaya para masulit. So you guys watch out. See ya! Hi guys! So yun, sumakay kami ng bicycle. Ito ang aking co-driver. Main driver pala. Si Kuya Jay. Yan. So nagbabike kami around Burnham Park. Hi guys! So we're here at what seems to be a market. It's still a bit raining and foggy. So, kakatapos lang namin mag-bike sa may Burnham Park. It was fun, pero tiring. So, ayun. Here's Papa. So, ayun. Hi, guys! So, we just checked out from our hotel. And it's already 12:05. But, hindi pa kami uuwi. Meron pa kami mga ibang dadaanan. Straight na biyahe pa uwi. You heard him. We're going to the strawberry farm. So, ayun. I'm not sure what time pa kami makaka-uwi. But, basta yun. We still have a few destinations left before we biyahe to go home. So, keep on watching. Keep on watching.
Keep on watching vlog.
Hi guys, so ito yung next destination namin if ever. Bumalik kami earlier sa may Mines BQ Park para mamili ng mga pasalubong and we bought quite a lot of stuff. So ngayon naman, we are here at the Baguio Cathedral. This is our next destination and Hindi kami totally makalabas lahat kasi it's raining so hard. As you can see, it's raining so hard. So, medyo mahirap na lumabas. And yun nga, just going out to go to the bathroom. Ang lala na hangin, sister! So, ayun. And I think after here, we will go na dun sa Camp John Hay. And I think dandun din yung Strawberry Farm, correct me if I'm wrong. Or if they are two separate places, yun pa yung dalawang natitirang pupuntahan namin. So, stay tuned! Hi guys, so we're finally down. We're finally out of Baguio City. Naging last na pala namin pupuntahan yung church. Kasi hindi na kami natuloy din sa John Hay. Kasi wala kaming mapwestohan. Wala naman kaming ganap there. So, asan na ba tayo ngayon natin?
La Union. Ano po?
We're at La Union to stop over kasi may kakain na kami. Anong oras na kasi? It's already 3:19 and hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. So, we stopped over to eat and later may dadaanan pa kami. Kasi, I don't know anong meron doon. Basta may dadaanan kami. So, continue watching!